Kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions, are a specialized type of unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for single-use attack missions. Unlike traditional drones that complete surveillance or strike tasks and then return to base, kamikaze drones are intended to crash directly into their targets, detonating upon impact to destroy them. Their name draws inspiration from the historical kamikaze pilots of World War II, but these drones operate either autonomously or under remote control, significantly reducing the risk to human operators. Typically, kamikaze drones are small, lightweight, and relatively inexpensive compared to conventional missiles, making them accessible and versatile. They are equipped with onboard cameras and advanced sensors, enabling operators to identify, track, and lock onto targets with high precision. These drones can loiter, fly in a holding pattern, over a battlefield or target area, waiting patiently for the optimal moment to strike. Once commanded, the drone dives directly at the target, delivering an explosive payload designed to neutralize it effectively. Kamikaze drones are highly valued for their flexibility, precision, and ability to engage targets that may be hidden, mobile, or otherwise difficult to reach with traditional weapons. Their increasing deployment significantly reshaping the landscape of modern warfare by providing new tactical options and reducing risks to personnel.